Joining us now is Jim Hesketh. He's the CEO of Viva Gold. Good to see you, Jim.
Good to see you.
You've been in the mining sector for more than 35 years, so you know what to look for. You've got a lot of experience. So what attracted you to the Tonopah project in Nevada?
Well, what attracted to me is we were able to acquire the project very inexpensively out of a bankruptcy estate sale. But I had been on this project first as part of a merger review with the predecessor company back in 2007. And I had kept my eye on it since that time. The bottom line is it's a property that a fair bit of work has been done on. Some items need to be cleaned up. We restructured the royalties, for instance. Went from a 7% royalty to a 2%. Changed the economic view of the project. And in doing that, we're able now to look at this as an open pit heap leach. We have a very good, highly drilled project here. The core of it is measured and indicated resource, over 300 holes defining it. And that's something that we can move forward on.
And a lot of that drilling was done by some majors in the past, is that right?
Yeah. Former operators on the project included Kennecott, Newmont, and Midway Gold. And they left us with a very good library of data. There's a existing plan of operations, an environmental assessment was completed, and all of those items tell us that there's really no red flag items in terms of impediments to development. So I'm a mining engineer, not a geologist. My target is to develop projects. And this, to me, is a near-term development concept. So we're actually working right now on a preliminary economic assessment to justify moving to pre-feasibility and permitting.
And you're hoping that PEA is out, you mentioned before PDAC, so in a few weeks' time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So pretty short term here. We'll be moving forward, hopefully into the pre-feasibility stage.
As far as the capital structure of the company, you describe it as tight. What do you mean by tight?
It's only 26.2 million shares outstanding. Fully diluted, about 36 million shares outstanding. So it's got a limited number of shares on the market. That gives us a long runway. Any fundraisings we do right now have minimal dilution on our shareholders.
Okay.
Yeah.
And investors, when they look at gold companies, not thinking of retail investors, they have a lot of choice, especially when it comes to junior exploration companies. What is it about Viva that is different, that is interesting, that makes it stand out, that makes it be something somebody should invest in?
Well, an investment in Viva, you're actually getting a investment. We're running about $17.50 per ounce of measured and indicated resource in terms of our market cap. So it's excellent value. We're still building name recognition in the company. It's only been there since 2017. So the opportunity to have a huge increase in market valuation is there, and it's underpinned by a very well-drilled gold resource.
All right, we'll be following.
All right,
Thank you, Jim. Jim Hesketh, he's the CEO of Viva Gold.